Hello everyone, welcome to Sukanya's IT Hub. So today we'll discuss about the how data mart is varied from the data warehouse. Okay, so data mart is basically a subset of an organization's warehouse data for a specific subject area wise. For example, mart is built for specific sales data, specific HR data, specific finance data, for a marketing data. But coming to the data warehouse, it contains a huge amount of data, and it also has been collected from the different source systems. Okay, in the same way, data mart doesn't have the operational data, but a data warehouse is having a detailed operational data. In the same way, data mart is a decentralized database system that uses the data from the warehouse itself for a specific information. But coming to the data warehouse, it is a central database system. It has a capability of analyze the data from the various source systems. If you see the picture, you will get a clear idea. So, if you see data warehouse, data warehouse is a having the detailed operational data, which is having a summary data, metadata, raw data, combination of these all three types of data. The data is loading from data warehouse to data marts. Means data marts are dependent on data warehouse. Basically, if you observe here, data marts are built for a specific information or for a specific subject area wise, for a marketing, sales, or HR department. Okay, so this is the main difference between warehouse and data mart. Hope you guys understand. Thank you everyone.